Question number 12. A couple consists of two forces, each of magnitude F, that acts in opposite direction. Okay. The perpendicular distance between the forces is D. Okay. What is the torque of the couple? Couple. What do you mean by couple? Two forces which are acting equal and opposite in different directions. So that's what we call as a couple. So therefore, what we will do is we'll take the middle point over here. Okay. Let me call this point O. Above this point, we will find the torque. Okay. So if I take the midpoint over here, this distance would be D by 2. This distance would be D by 2. D by 2 over here. Right. So when this d by 2, what does this give you? The torque experienced by this point would be F d by 2, and it will be like this over here. It will be like this. And this one will be F d by 2, F d by 2, and it will be like this over here, right? One will be like this, the other one will be downward like that, right? So as a result of this, the total torque now is nothing but F d by 2 plus F d by 2, which is equal to F into d. Thus the answer is C over here.